Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the page in Excel. First, navigate to the Page Layout tab on the Excel ribbon. Here, you'll find essential tools to prepare your spreadsheet for printing. We'll cover adjusting margins, changing the page orientation, and selecting the correct paper size. These initial steps are crucial for ensuring your data looks professional and fits perfectly on the printed page, saving you time and paper. Let's dive into margins and orientation. You can easily adjust your page margins to create more space or condense your content. Excel offers preset options like normal, wide, and narrow, or you can set custom measurements. Deciding between portrait and landscape orientation is also key. Portrait is taller than it is wide, while landscape is wider, perfect for large tables or charts. Next, we'll look at paper size and defining your print area. It's important to select the correct paper size, like letter or A4, to match your printer. If you only need to print a specific section of your worksheet, you can easily set a print area. This ensures only the selected cells are printed, avoiding unnecessary pages and focusing on your critical data. Finally, let's talk about print titles and scaling. To make your printed reports easier to read, you can set print titles to repeat specific rows or columns on every page. This is incredibly useful for headers. You can also scale your worksheet to fit all content onto a certain number of pages, or even just one page, ensuring everything is visible and legible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.